Encountering the "you have not been credit checked" error on Tesco Mobile typically means you need to verify your identity and creditworthiness. This usually happens during SIM activation, plan upgrades, or device purchases. Tesco Mobile, like other UK mobile providers, needs to perform these checks to comply with regulations and prevent fraud. You'll need to provide identity documents like a passport or driving license for verification. This is done to ensure service reliability and security for both the provider and the customer. To fix this, you'll need to submit or update your details. First, log into your Tesco Mobile account via the app or website. Navigate to Account, then Personal Details in your account settings. Ensure all the information is accurate, including your name, address, and date of birth. If prompted, upload required documents, such as a valid ID, like a passport or driving license, and proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement. You can usually do this directly through the app's camera feature. If problems persist, contact Tesco Mobile support at 0344 324 92 or via live chat, but allow 24 to 48 hours for processing. According to user feedback from platforms like Trustpilot, most issues are resolved quickly using these digital methods. Remember that under GDPR, you have the right to request data deletion or appeal if the checks fail unjustly.